In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI-driven culture at work with Notion. As organizations continue to embrace digital transformation, integrating AI tools like Notion can greatly enhance productivity and create a more efficient work environment. Let's dive into the steps you can take to foster this AI-driven culture, ensuring your team can maximize their potential while keeping all their tasks organized and accessible. First and foremost, creating a centralized knowledge hub within Notion is essential. This hub serves as the backbone of your company's information infrastructure, acting as a one-stop resource for employees seeking guidance, updates, or data. By centralizing all key information, whether it's company policies, project plans, or strategic goals, you provide team members with easy access to the knowledge they need when they need it. This eliminates the time spent sifting through emails or outdated documents, streamlining workflows, and promoting clarity across all projects. Next, leverage the power of Notion AI for daily work. By weaving AI seamlessly into everyday tasks, you empower employees to concentrate on what they do best. Encourage your team to utilize Notion AI specifically for routine and repetitive tasks, which are perfectly suited for automation. For instance, when it comes to writing, Notion AI can assist in drafting emails, creating comprehensive reports, and summarizing meeting notes. Not only does this ensure consistency and accuracy, but it also frees up time for team members to focus on strategic initiatives and creative problem solving. In research processes, Notion AI is invaluable in summarizing long documents, extracting critical action items, and even analyzing notes. This ability to distill information allows your team to quickly understand and act upon key insights without getting bogged down by excessive data. Moreover, this capability enhances decision-making speed, agility, and confidence. For brainstorming and idea generation, Notion AI can be a game changer. It can help generate fresh campaign ideas, create detailed content outlines, and even develop new product concepts. By providing a springboard for creativity, Notion AI promotes innovative thinking and collaboration. With common tasks off their plate, employees can dedicate more time to refining their strategies and executing high-impact projects. Ultimately, by integrating Notion AI into your workflows, you enable employees to focus on higher-value work that truly drives your organization forward. This shift not only boosts morale and job satisfaction, but also enhances productivity and fosters an environment where innovation can thrive. As your team adopts these AI tools to manage routine tasks, you lay the foundation for an AI-driven workplace culture that aligns with modern business demands. And there you have it, actionable strategies to build an AI-driven culture at work using Notion. With a centralized knowledge hub and the effective use of Notion AI, your organization can achieve greater efficiency and productivity. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this helps you transform your workplace.